first of all, Des, what in the name of God is fin swimming?
We've
I've
been
never
having
heard of
this
it
debate
before.
all morning on the show.
Yeah.
Fin swimming.
Well, swimming is pretty much just ordinary swimming using fins or flippers. Some people call them flippers. And these fins are used, by divers, for example, scuba divers. They're used for competitive swimming. Okay. Swimmers use them to develop the muscles of the legs and the lower back and so on and so forth. And they also, it's known now from research that they allow a greater flexibility and range of movement in the muscle structure, all the way from the back of the neck, in fact, right down to the base.
Wow. Does it make you go faster?
It does make you go faster in the water,
That's what we like now.
provided that you've got the energy
to
expend to make you go faster. So without fins, you will swim at a rate of whatever, do a mile in 40 minutes, whatever it is. With the fins, you'll do it in maybe about 30 minutes, so it does knock time off. But nevertheless, you have to expend the energy, and it takes a lot of experience as well to learn how to use the fins properly to prevent any injury to the body.
What attracted you to that particular type of it? What attracted you to fin swimming?
Yeah, well, fin swimming, I've been swimming since I was about 4 years of age, and I've been using fins diving since I was about 15 years of age. So it was a kind of a natural progression, and also there's great benefit in fin swimming for the body, and it's used now by athletes throughout the world and team sports as well. They're learning the benefits of fin swimming, and of course it is a sport in itself. Fin swimming is a sport in itself.
Would it be used in terms of? Would you use it as part of therapy in terms of after an injury? Would it help in terms of building back up muscles or whatever?
Yes, absolutely. That's a very good point, and it helps to recover muscles, and it helps with the elasticity in the muscle and the range of movement. And it's a non-weight-bearing sort of an activity, which is important. It's like cycling.
Which encourages healing then.
It encourages healing. And it also, fins are used by lifeguards. Water Safety Ireland here, they train lifeguards. In fact, they'll be on duty from this weekend, they're patrolling the beaches and stuff.